In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to QuickBooks Online. This process is crucial for ensuring that your financial records are up to date and accurate, allowing for seamless accounting and financial tracking. Let's take it step by step so you can link your accounts with confidence. First, if you haven't already signed up for QuickBooks, head over to their website and create an account. If you already have an account set up, simply click on the Sign In button for QuickBooks Online. After you've signed in, enter your QuickBooks account by typing in your credentials. Ensure your password is secure to protect your financial data. Once you've successfully logged in, hit Continue to proceed. When prompted, choose the company files you want to work with. This step is important if you manage multiple entities, as it ensures you link the right bank account to the correct company file. Once inside QuickBooks, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options and tools. Next, click on the Accounting tab. This tab holds all the tools you need to manage your financial transactions. Look for the Link Your Bank button and click on it. This action will guide you to the area where you can connect your bank account to QuickBooks. In the search box that appears, type in the name of your bank. QuickBooks supports a wide range of banks, so yours is likely to appear in the list. Once you find your bank, select it. Now it's time to sign in to your online banking. Enter your username and password for your bank account as prompted. Don't worry, this step is secure and allows QuickBooks to retrieve your transactions directly. Follow the prompts from your bank to authorize QuickBooks Online to access your account information. After successfully signing in, you need to select which bank or credit card accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. You might be prompted to choose from checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Decide which account or accounts you want to synchronize. Then select the date range for the transactions you want to pull into QuickBooks. Make sure to pick an appropriate range that covers all the transactions you need. Once everything is ready, click the Connect button. This final action will initiate the connection, and QuickBooks will begin importing your recent transactions automatically. Now that your transactions are in QuickBooks, go to the Banking tab to review and categorize them. It's important to check that everything has been imported correctly and that transactions are placed in their proper categories for accurate bookkeeping. And that's it! You've successfully linked your bank account to QuickBooks Online, streamlining your financial management tasks. Remember to periodically review your transactions to ensure everything remains correct and up to date. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping!